Hey there, Monopoly Go fans, welcome back to the channel. If you are having trouble with airplane mode APM after the latest update, trust me, you are not alone. In today's video, I will walk you through the newest fixes for 2024 so you can get back to rolling the dice and conquering the board without any issues. So without further delay, let's get straight into this video. So after the latest update, some of the people are facing the issue that their airplane mode is not working in their accounts. So in order to fix this issue, what you can do is you can simply open your Google Play Store, or if you are using App Store, then you can use App Store. Here you need to use the search bar in the bottom, and now in the search bar you need to search for Proton VPN. So this is the VPN that currently I'm using, so you can also use this VPN. It is free and it is reliable. So you need to download and install Proton VPN in your device and then tap on open in order to launch it. After that, you just have to continue as guest and tap on the connect button in order to connect with the server. Now once it is connected, it will show you that your account is now protected and the icon will also turn green. So once you are connected with one of the countries or the servers, you just have to launch your Monopoly Go application. Then you just have to swipe down your notification bar, turn on the airplane mode and start rolling. Now after that, you will be able to see that the rolls are working fine. You might get one or two rolls, but the VPN method is working fine. So if the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.